Japan in brief. Japan is land country lying off the east coast of Asia. It consists of a great string of islands in a northeast-southwest Earth that stretches for approximately 1,500 miles, 2,400 kilometers through the western North Pacific Ocean. Nearly the entire area is taken up by the country's four main islands. From north to south, these are Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku, and Kyushu. Honshu is the largest of the four, followed in size by Hokkaido, Kyushu, and Shikoku. In addition, there are numerous islands. The major group of islands are the Ryukyu Nansei Islands, including the island of Okinawa, to the south and west of Kyushu, and the Izu, Bonin, Ogasawara, and volcano Kazan Island to the south and east of central Honshu. The national capital, Tokyo, is in central Honshu. It's one of the world's most populous cities. The Japanese landscape is rugged with more than 4/5 of the land surface consisting of mountains. There are many active and dormant volcanoes, including Mount Fuji, Fujisan, with at an elevation of 5,180 active feet. There 1,776 meters is Japan's highest mountain.
Japan's public diplomacy. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Japan, MOFA, actively communicates a variety of information on Japan's foreign policy, as well as general information on Japan for better understanding of Japan worldwide. MOFA also assists activities to introduce Japan's culture, to encourage people-to-people exchange, and to promote Japan's language education, engaging with policymakers, opinion leaders, field experts, and local people.
Some major international organizations. Currently, Japanese nationals are serving in important posts at international organizations including the UN. In particular, Japanese nationals are actively performing leadership roles at the World Customs Organization, or WCO, Asian Development Bank, or ADB, and other organizations. In addition, for many years, Japan has sent a succession of Japanese judges to international courts, such as the International Court of Justice, or ICJ, the International Tribunal for the Law of the Sea, or ITLOS, and the International Criminal Court, or ICC. In light of the importance of international organizations for addressing global challenges, securing important posts that contribute to strengthening ties between Japan and international organizations, including as the heads of international organizations, is an important challenge. Currently, over 900 Japanese nationals are working as personnel level or higher level staff in UN-related agencies around the world, which is a record figure. With the aim of further increasing such Japanese personnel, the government of Japan has set the objective of increasing the number of Japanese staff working at UN-related agencies to 1,000 by 2025. To this end, in collaboration with universities, related ministries and agencies and organizations, MOFA is actively recruiting, training, and supporting Japanese nationals who can play active roles and make a contribution on the global stage.
Japan participation in the UN peacekeeping mission. Japan's first substantial participation in a UN peacekeeping operation was in 1989, when 27 electoral observers were dispatched to the United Nations Transition Assistance Group (UNTAG) in Namibia. Then in 2022, the enactment of the International Peace Cooperation Law enabled Japan to send not only civilian personnel but also its self-defense force personnel to UN peacekeeping operation. Based on that law, Japan participates in peacekeeping operation in Angola, Cambodia, Mozambique, El Salvador, and Timor-Leste, and since 1999 has been dispatching a self-defense force contingent to the United Nations Disengagement Observers Force (UNDOF), which is developed on the Golan Heights. Japan's self-defense force personnel were also sent to assist rundown refugees and Timorese displaced persons as part of international humanitarian relief operation. Japan also cooperative in international election monitoring activities in Bosnia and Herzegovina in 1998 and 2000, Kosovo in 2001, and in Timor-Leste in 2001 and 2002. To date, Japan has also made contribution in kind. For example, Japan provided refugee relief materials such as tents and blankets for Kosovar refugees and Timorese displaced persons in 1999. In the same year, Japan also provided radios for public information purpose in support of direct ballot in August 1999. In 2003, Japan provided refugee relief material such as tents for Iraqi refugees, and in 2004 for Sudanese refugees in Chad. In addition to these field activities, Japan takes an active part in discussions in the United Nations to improve the effectiveness of peacekeeping operations.